And now at 4:30, it is a vital program that helps thousands of refugees in limbo. And now Harris County is suing the federal government to get it back on track.
County leaders demanding that millions of dollars approved by Congress be released. Katira Winfrey joins us live to explain why they say ending the funding freeze is the legal thing to do, but also the safest. Katira.
Well, Ron, the Harris County attorney is suing the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services for withholding grant funding that could support refugees. They say the Trump administration has already been sued and lost, and we're told if that money is not released soon, thousands could be impacted. Refugees for generations have been welcomed in the U.S. and Harris County through refugee resettlement programs.
I stand here today and I welcome you to the modern-day Ellis Island here in Gulfton.
Harris County Attorney Christian Menefee says from welcoming Cubans in the 80s, Afghans who helped in the war efforts, and most recently Ukrainians fleeing war, it's been a priority.
We're here today to announce that we are suing the Trump administration, U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.
He says the $10 million allocated to those efforts back in October hasn't arrived due to a federal funding freeze, threatening treatment for 11,000 and possible job loss for nearly 40.
On funding that has already been appropriated by Congress. This is not the best of America.
A large portion of the federal funding in years prior have funded the Harris County Refugee Clinic, providing health services, including screenings for communicable diseases.
It's not good enough to just have 2 people immunized, right? Or 3 people in a large group. You need to make sure that the entire group is in a healthy place so that diseases don't spread.
Have there already been impacts that people haven't been able to get the care that they need?
Yeah, we're running into multiple challenges already. One major issue is the county has already started to provide care here in this year for 2025, and there's over $1 million that we're seeking reimbursement for.
The lawsuit says the Department of Health and Human Services had previously been sued in the Western District of Washington in a similar funding case. A judge agreed the HHS acted unlawfully. And I did reach out to the Harris County GOP, and I am waiting to hear back. But Menefee says if the funds are not released, Harris County could be looking to be reimbursed $6 million by the end of the year. Reporting live in Houston, Katira Winfrey, KHOU 11 News.
Katira, thank you.